Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 3D centerpiece. They are honeycomb wild western party decorations. Alright, so right here we've received our party decoration. This one here has a 9-piece Western party centerpieces, which is in diverse styles. It has 9 different styles. These are Western centerpieces that are made of quality paper material. They are super sturdy. They are thick. They are trusty. So you can see this one here has a cattle head. This one here has a money bag and some coins, and it says howdy. You have little guest bags. The decors are available. You can add them as many occasions. You can use them at any time. Anytime you have any Western theme, these are great to use. These decors are simply designed for easy installation. All you got to do is open it up just like this, place it on your table. They look really nice. So these are the cards that attach to these centerpieces. You just remove this sticker, attach it to the card. They expand the bottom of the middle section, and it makes the honeycomb at the bottom. So you can see at the very bottom they have these little card things. You'd stick those into those little cards. They look super nice. Each one of them has really nice details. They're very colorful. So this one here, you've got a sheriff, a cactus, some rocks. So they do give a really good theme if you're doing a country theme. So if you're looking for a nice party centerpiece set, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. These ones are super nice and cute. I like the fact that they are very nice, durable, and they have really nice coloring. So this one would be a nice, good centerpiece if you're hosting a party. I would definitely say check these ones out.